You ever wake up one day and realize your life doesn't feel like yours anymore? Every day felt the same, scrolling, pretending, existing. I wasn't living, I was just surviving. Then one night, sitting alone in the dark, I asked myself one question. If I lost everything today, could I rebuild myself? And that single question changed everything. The first thing I did wasn't magical. I didn't wake up at 5 a.m. or start journaling right away. I simply decided to stop lying to myself. No more fake smiles, no more excuses. I looked at my reflection and said, we start again. I deleted distractions. I wrote down my pain, my fears, my regrets, and everything I had been running from. And slowly, something inside me shifted. The days were hard, or really hard. No one clapped when I chose to work instead of scrolling. No one noticed when I replaced self-doubt with small wins. But every single day, I showed up. And that's when I realized, rebuilding your life isn't about motivation. It's about discipline when no one's watching. It's about falling, breaking, crying, and still saying, not today. I'm not giving up. Now when I look back, I don't see failure. I see rebirth. If you're at rock bottom right now, listen. You're not broken, you're just being rebuilt. Every mistake, every heartbreak, every lonely night. It's shaping the person you're meant to become. So don't quit. Rebuilding takes time, but when you rise again, you'll be unstoppable. This isn't the end, and it's your new beginning.